Good morning, Tree Enterprise. So today we will resume with lesson. Uh, I would like to touch on coordinate geometry for Amax. Today we are doing Amax today, Amax coordinate geometry. However, I'd like to recap on the formulas of from Emax first. Okay, first and foremost, number one, this is the length of a line segment. Okay, number two, gradient. This is the formula for gradient. Okay, and number three, how to form a straight line. This is the formula for straight line. So let me give you one more example. Okay, you may be using A and B because this formula is very important. Let's say you want to form the equation of a straight line for AB. So again, you have to find the gradient first. So gradient of AB is just y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2, 4 over 5. And then we have then now we need equation, right? Equation of line AB. So the formula is y minus y1, any number that falls on the line AB. So it could be either A or either B. So maybe I take B lah. Y minus 1 over x minus 3 equal gradient 4 over 5. So we cross multiply over. Okay. And then okay. Eventually, right, you secure okay, this is the equation of the straight line AB. Now, let's move on to Amax coordinate geometry. So, you will learn like okay, for Amax coordinate geometry, if you do not have this worksheet, right, I will send you the soft copy. Either you print it out, okay, or you do it on exercise book first. Okay. Now, two formulas. The first formula, midpoint of a line segment. This is the first one. Okay. This is the formula. Okay. So, right, it means that a line you split it into two equal parts. Name is called bisector lah. Okay, let me show you how to do it. Midpoint of a line segment. So midpoint. So midpoint basically you take the average of the two x values, 2 plus negative 1, whole thing over 2. Okay. Then the y you also take the average. Okay, 3 plus negative 7, whole thing divided by 2. So what will it give you? 2 plus negative 1, 1 gives you half. 3 plus negative 7, negative 4. Negative 4 divided by 2, negative 2. This is the answer for A. Now, I need you to go and do B by yourself. B is your homework. Now, parallel lines. Okay, now I want you to pause the video, okay, and go ahead and plot all these points and find out the gradient, maybe of at least two of the find the gradient for the four sides of the parallelogram. Okay, now you have already found the gradients of all the four sides of the parallelogram. What do you observe? Okay, do B give you about some time to think. What's the property? Okay, I think by now you should observe that for parallel lines, the gradient will be the same. So same gradient, parallel lines. So you got to remember this now. Okay, so parallel lines, we infer that it's the same gradient. Okay, then equation of a straight line. So how does it connect? Is let's say we have two pairs of parallel lines. Okay, which means let's say I say that the gradient, I use m to represent it, the gradient is half, right? So without me telling you, immediately you will know that the gradient of this line is also half. Then if let's say I were to give you just one more point on this, you immediately be able to generate the equation for this line. Okay, so question 2. Now question 2, I'll give you a template, then you will peep on it. Okay, this will be your homework. Okay, then question 3. Where will we pause? Now, today since the lesson is quite short, right? Then I don't want to tax you all too much. Okay, we will just do 2 questions today. Okay. Now, they say that the equation of AB is this. Okay, provided the line CD which passes through a point, this one is parallel to line AB. Find the equation of CD. So you want to find the equation of CD. What are the 2 information that you need? The first information is one point on equation CD, and you need the gradient of CD, and then immediately you can find using formula equation of CD is y minus y1 over x minus x1 equal gradient. Okay, so do you have 1 point on the equation of CD? Line which passes through, right? Okay, then check. Are you able to secure the gradient of CD? Yes, because they say parallel to line AB. So equation of AB. So what is the gradient? Okay, go and find out. Then this is step 1. Okay, then step 2, equation of CD. Alright, finish this. This is your homework. Then the points, these 3 points are A, B, and C. Find the values of K given that A, B, and C are collinear. What's the meaning of collinear? Means they lie on the straight line. So example, if your line is going upwards, it's going to be like that, B and C. What does it actually mean is also that, right, they are parallel. Okay, they share the same gradient. Alright, so using the same gradient property, I want you to go and find the value of K. So these 2 will be your homework, okay, for Tuesday. Then on Wednesday, I'll go through the working for 2 and 3. Then after which, right, we'll move on to 4, okay, and 5. Then I'll move on to a new thing called the perpendicular lines. Now, I'm going to send you, right, the questions, question paper for part 1 and also for part 2. Alright, if you can print it out. You need to resume with lesson. Okay, with this, right, okay, I will stop my lesson for today.